That is so pretty. Ooh, I like it. It's nice. The kitchen's like pretty too.
I am in love with the kitchen. I wouldn't actually change a single thing. White cabinetry above and the two-tone wood color below. Very subtle, but this subway tile, a very simple design, but I love that it's matte and not a shiny
Yeah, the kitchen
finish.
is absolutely gorgeous.
It really works well with the industrial vibe. A couple of things to point out is you'll notice there is not a fridge.
Oh yeah, what the fuck?
Standard fridge, so to speak, but these 4 drawers.
Oh, that's
are
weird.
the fridge.
I would want a fridge.
What I love about it so much is that you could organize it. So
Actually, I don't even have a fridge. What the fuck am I talking about? I have a mini fridge. I don't own a fridge. What the hell am I on about? I have a mini fridge and that's it.
Over here, we've got the
I'm over here like, wait, they don't have a fridge? I don't have a fridge. The fuck am I on about?
dishwasher.
I don't have a kitchen.
The sink is
I literally have an LED mini fridge.
the window as well, so you get lots of natural light. And then you have another fridge. They use this actually as a drink drawer, and your freezer.
Yeah, I guess it's cool.
below.
I don't know.
If you wanted to put a standard fridge here, I could see like a really cool smeg in this area.
What's a smeg?
But I have to say this.
The hell's that?
The living room is nice and open. We have the exposed brick walls and the wood beams throughout the whole
Yeah, the windows are nice and big.
space. One thing to mention
They're pretty.
is that the furniture
I can imagine at night seeing all the lights outside would be pretty.
A lot of it is from restoration hardware, like the amazing.
Okay,
soap.
this is where you're losing me. What is is that a bathtub? Bro, is that a bathtub? Is that that's a fucking bathtub. No, no, don't go downhill from here. Not like this. Not like this.
Another thing is that short-term furnished rentals.
Not like this. We were doing so good.
A minimum of 7
That
days.
would ruin it entirely for me.
A really good investment property.
Instant loss right there.
And we're gonna make our way over to the bedroom, but before we do that, another little area here where you could.
Okay, okay, I know what you're doing here. We're talking, but I can't focus, bro. There's no door on the shower, and there's a bathtub, and you're over here talking about the table and the chair, and all I'm thinking is, what the fuck's going on right here? This looks like a stage room in an IKEA. What the fuck? Are we just gonna ignore it? Like,
As an office.
I'm distracted. Just move to the thing in the back. I'm lost. Oh, that's the bed. The bathtub's at the foot of the fucking bed. And then this? Are those light switches on it? I've been done so dirty. Is that a wire? And are those light switches? We were so strong. This is a 0 out of 10. I'm sorry. There is a bathtub at the foot of the bed. There is a bathtub at the foot of the bed. I will repeat myself. What in the absolute fuck is that? They could have redone this in any way they like. Okay. They're acting like this place wasn't spacious as fuck, right? Like, look at this. Spacious as all hell. Like, okay, it's a studio. Tell me that. You don't gotta do this. This doesn't have to be done. You could have put a wall and put the bed here. You didn't have to do this. No. There's literally walls right here. This is a wall. That's a wall. This is a wall. You could have put a damn wall, man. She's got to address it. I have to hear her address it. I need to hear what she's saying about this. I gotta know. I gotta know. It's boring! seeing it pour next to the bed like that, dude, there's a splash zone. You just onto the bed from that air. Oh my God.
Can we take a minute to talk about
Yes,
this
we're gonna need more than a
bathtub,
minute.
please? This is an amazing yellow feature screen here as well, but I don't know, what do you guys think? Comment below. I remember the first
You're deleting comments. You are deleting comments, you fucking liars. There's no way. Not one person has said shit about that bathtub. You are deleting comments. This is a lie. I know what you're doing. You are deleting comments. Why not place the toilet right next to the stove? Wait, we haven't seen the toilet yet. Hold on. Where is the toilet? That's a better question. Is it next to the stove?
I was blown away about this open bathtub concept. Really unique and Alda Pereira designed bathroom. And this is a custom built closet, which is amazing in this space, especially.
And you can wash your clothes in the tub right there.
Myself, because voila, you just give it a little pull here and you can, it actually comes all the way down.
The place is more spacious than this. I've seen people utilize a 200 square foot place way better than this. What is this?
You can select your clothing, tuck it away so you don't even know.
We got pull-out clothing racks?
And we have a really nice white vanity, full-length mirror, and your water closet is here. And then another cool
What's a water closet? Oh, like water heater and shit?
feature is a walk-through shower.
That's not a cool feature. That's not cool. I didn't see a toilet.
This is truly one of the
Pause. Where's the shitter? Where's the shitter? Don't tell me the shitter is like off to the right of, where's the shitter? The water closet is the toilet? They call it a water closet? Wait, why is it called a water closet? I thought it was a water heater.
sexiest New York style lofts I have ever been in.
Okay, I have a question. What are in behind these two doors and this door? What are these three doors? Because you showed us the entrance, and the entrance is over here. So what are all these doors? You couldn't have put the bathroom in one of these?
It makes me want to.
Bro, all they had to do, like literally looking at this room, get rid of this. Whatever the fuck this is, get rid of it. You already had a desk in the entryway. Move the bed out here, build a wall, close in a bathroom. I don't understand where we went wrong here, guys. I'm not understanding. Who the fuck designed this?
Have a glass of whiskey, a cigar, play some backgammon, order takeout from one of the hip gas.
And then watch my cousin shit and shower and bathtub while I sleep. Yeah, that's what we do at the end of the night. My cousin takes a bath in front of me and I watch. There's no TV. I watch him bathe himself. That's what we do at the end of the night. Like, what?
Thank you for joining it. I hope you liked it as much as we did. Special shout out to Glenn and their information.
You can't have guests in a house like this. You cannot. There's no way. Yeah, we're gonna play backgammon while we watch Jimmy take a bath.
Below, as well as more information.
It was so good. I literally, oh yeah, what were in these? WC. Did you say what was in these? Oh yeah, maybe I skipped over it. It costs 1.2 million.
The powder room with
Powder room. Powder room's a bathroom. So you're telling me we're in a studio without a bedroom, 0 bedroom, 2 bathroom? What the hell was the need for a powder room? Make that the bathroom. Just make it bigger. I'm lost, man.
the cute WC sign here.
So we got one here, one here. In a studio. A studio, 1.2 million with 2 water closets.
Show you a little geography
I thought I seen it all, guys. I really did. This is insane.
We have
Those are fucking light switches. I knew it. They put light switches into the back of the... This hurts. This is painful. This is honestly painful. How many views does this have? This only has 17,000 views? Bro, somebody needs to see this. I could squeeze a pool table and a half wine fridge in there and it would be... How about a bath? How about an enclosed bathroom? Then it would be like, what? You're gonna add a pool table and not be concerned about the bathtub. That's enough of the internet for me today. Jesus. Okay, well, this was a fun stream. I enjoyed this. Did you guys enjoy it? We'll end it on a bang. That was great. This is fun. We have yet to find one place that I would call a 10 out of 10. We have yet to find one place. One day we'll find it.